Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, I mean, yesterday I was talking about how this likely could have been an ABC correction and it possibly could have turned back up. The key here is that it never made an engulfing move up like it should have if it was an ABC. The monthly time frame is down, the weekly is down, the daily is down, and the 4 hour is down. When all these higher time frames are down, there's really no reason whatsoever to go down to a sort of time frame and go long unless you get like a big engulfing turn to the upside or a nice break of structure or something telling you that it's okay to look for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it was right here when we had the CPI news yesterday, and I was talking about how if we get a nice break to the upside, it would be a good long. But it never did break to the upside. What did it do? It made one, two, three ways up and kept going down. One, two, three ways up and kept going down. One, two, three ways up and kept going down. So we are at the 78% right now. That probably is going to be an area of resistance. That definitely, or an area of support, that is. For me, that definitely doesn't mean long. For me, that means hopefully it makes another bounce. So that way, if I see another three-way pullback, I could go short again for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until some of these higher time frames start telling me to start looking for longs. I would be doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.